Beautiful. Beautiful waterfalls. There's a wrecked truck. Looks like it went right off the road. Wow. I never thought I'd go to Donner Peak. Come out the other end of the next tunnel. We'll see Donner Lake. We'll get some of the best views you can ever get in the Sierras. Here we go. Pow! Time to do another tunnel. I am ready. You ready, Jared? You ready to do this, Jared? We can do this. This ain't nothing. There's a bear paw. There's toes. See the toes? Either human or bear. I don't see claws, though. Do you? They walk on their hands and their legs. Huh? It's different paws, but let me take a picture. This is strange.